Come back to this section, and for this section we'll be seeing how to insert your tables and matrix. They're almost the same, right? Tables and matrix can be alike. All right. So let's move on to our dashboard. All right. So for this now, this is our table, like you can see here. So this table, click on the table, and you have this. So please pay attention carefully. For your table, let's say I want to see the country. You bring the country to the columns. All right. Okay, we have it. That's small. I can increase it later. All right. Bring the country to the column. Then I also want to bring the sales each country made. Drag the sales still to the columns. All right. So we have this. That means Canada made all of this. You can change it from sum to average. All right, average. So the average sales made was 177,768.96 kobo. So you can change it to everything you want. You can change it to maximum, minimum, sum, variance, median, and all of that. So that's your choice. So okay, so I can also bring in the profit, drag the profit still to the column. All right. So you have the profit. That means this country, I'm going to zoom it later. So finally, let's bring something as discounts. Let's bring the discounts. So I have this. Okay. If I also want to see the products, drag the products. There's our product again. Bring the products here. And it expands. You can see it expands to show you what each of them made. So let me drop this product first so I can explain this better. So let me zoom this guy up. So you come to your format and go to values. All right, that was too small. Take it to 20. Is this too small? Let's make it 30. Oh wow, this is okay. This is fine. So this is it now. So it means Canada, okay, the country and all of that are still small. So let's go let's go down to the headers, column headers. Change it to 22 so that it balances. All right, so we have this now. So that means Canada made the average sales of this 177,768.96 kobo and the profits of 3.something million. Okay, then the discount, the sum of all the discount they give for each of the country was 2. Wow, that was a lot. They give a lot of discounts. Then France made average sales of this. Some of the profits was this, and the discount was less. Yeah, better. Germany did this and all of that. Mexico did this, and United States. So in the total, you can also input the total, right? Okay. And now let's bring in the come back here. Let's bring in the products. Okay, so it's going to show us for all of the products and for each of the countries. I'm going to drag this product here, drag it down to still the column. All right. So our table is now long. You can see, right? So let me reduce the size so we can see everything well. Let's take it down to 20. 20 is not bad. Okay, so we have this now. So that means now France, for this product, Amarilla, Canada made this amount. The profit was this and the discount was this. For this product, Acareta, so there are 5 products here. So each of the country will state the profits, the sales, and the discounts made for each of the products. All right, so you can see for Canada, these are the products and these are the sales made. Then for France, these are the products. They repeated the products again, and these are the profits made. And then for Germany, these are the repeated products, the sales, the discounts, the some profits, and also the sales. We did that for all of the countries, all right, and all of the products, as you can see. So that's basically how to use your tables and matrix. So matrix is likely the same thing. So I'll see you in the next class. Okay.